Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can implement Unity ads in your Unity project. The first thing you need to do is download this asset, Unity Monetization Tree. The link will be in the description. After you have added this asset, go to Asset Store, click Import. Make sure everything is imported. This will take a little while. After the import is complete, click the Service tab. Here you will see a list of services. Click Ads and turn on the monetize your games. At the advanced section, untick the enable built-in ads extension because you are going to use the asset from the store. Now create an empty game object. Call it Ads Manager. Now we need to create two buttons to show the ads. Rename this button to Show Ads button and reset position. Change the text to Show Ads. Copy this button and this will be the button to show rewarded ads. Change the text as well. Show reward ads. Now we need something to test our reward callbacks. So add a UI text. Change it to reward text. Set it to 0 and change to white color. Move it above the button. Center it. Also make it bigger. And also move the show rewarded ads to below the show ads button. Okay, now our canvas is ready. We need to add a script for the buttons. Create a new folder called scripts. Create a new script called ads manager. Now double click the ads manager. Remove the update method. Now we need to initialize the monetization SDK. So start with monetization using Unity engine.monetization.initialize. The initialize method will take one game ID and a game mode. So I will be using false for now. Let's create a string for game ID. Private string game ID equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also the test mode boolean. Test mode equal to true for now. Replace it with the game ID and also the test mode. Okay, now we need to look for our game ID. What is our game ID? So go to the integration guide for Unity ads. Look for the initializing the SDK section. As you can see, you are required to log in into your Unity dashboard. At your project operate tab, the monetization platform, you will find your game ID for Apple App Store and Google Play Store. And also, there are two placement ID which is important for showing the apps. By default, there will be one video and one related video placement ID. So we will be using these two placement ID for showing our ads content. Now go back to the editor. Check if our application platform is iOS. If yes, then set our game ID. This is my game ID. So you will need to replace by yours. Else, copy this line. We will check for the Android player as well. So the game ID for Android will be different also. So now we are done for the game ID. Then go back to the page and look for the implementing rewarded ads section and copy everything inside the class. Like click copy go back our script and paste it inside. Let's move the placement ID to the top. Remove the public and copy this, paste it, because we need a placement ID for normal video as well. So this will be video and this will be the rewarded video. Change the placement ID to video, and now we have the show as method. Let's create a second method called show rewarded ads. Copy this line and paste it. Add a parameter boolean reward because we will be using the same coroutine for both methods. So set it to true and fix the error by creating the placement ID string. Now we check whether the call is rewarded. If yes, we will be using the rewarded video placement ID. Else, we are using the normal placement ID. Okay, now when we showing the ads, we also need to check whether the call is reward. If yes, we will be adding the callback inside the ads.show method. Else, we will be using a normal ads.show without the finish callback. Okay, now we need to reward our player. Just now we have created a text on our canvas, so we should create a field to reference it. Using Unity engine.ui, then public text, reward text. We create another integer reward count to keep track how much we have rewarded the player. So after the ads finish, we increase the count by 1, then we show it on our canvas. Okay, now our script is done. So go back to Unity. We need to add the script to Ads Manager. Then reference a reward text and also add the on-click listener for the button. Look for the Ads Manager show ads. Do the same thing for show reward ads as well. But this look for the show rewarded ads. Now everything is ready. We can test it on our emulator. Build setting. Make sure your platform is Android and build and run. Okay, replace. This will take a little while, but should be in less than a minute. Okay, now the build is successful. So let's try the share. Try again. Yes, the S is showing. So when the S is complete, we'll try this button below. So these are rewarded ads. If everything is fine, we'll saw the count increases by 1. Yep. Let me try again. Then increase by 1 again. It became 2. Yep. So that's it for this tutorial. We have successfully implemented the Unity ads. I hope this tutorial helps you. If it did, please give this tutorial a like and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.